Let's turn a useful conversation into a lead without turning the chat into a form. Open the intended assistant, choose tools, and find leads. Enable it only after the purpose. Minimum contact fields, privacy notice, and retention period are clear. For an emailed quote, a name and email address may be enough. Do not collect a phone number just because the field exists. Save the change, reload the page, and confirm that lead still shows as enabled. In production, notifications belong in one monitored sales inbox with a clear response time target. But for this reusable recording, keep the notification checkbox off. We don't want fictional tutorial data reaching a real distribution list. We'll verify the saved lead directly in the dashboard. Test production email delivery separately with an approved test inbox, then check the assistant name, visitor interest, assignment rule, and spam folder before relying on it. Open a fresh test chat. First ask for the verification code and confirm the source-backed Nordstern 42 answer. That low intent control must not create a lead. Then say, please contact me about the premium plan. My name is Alex Example and my email is alex@example.com. Email is my preferred contact method. The assistant should accept the fictional address naturally and explain what happens next. We deliberately omit a phone number. A trustworthy flow honors the preferred route, keeps optional fields optional, and continues helping instead of blocking the visitor. Open lead management and search for alex@example.com. The final capture accepts only one newly created row. Verify Alex Example, the email address, premium plan, new status, the intended assistant, and the creation time. Phone must say not provided because we never asked for it. Open the details before changing anything. Confirm the session and business context belong to this test. If a second row appears, stop. Compare time, assistant, and interest, then resolve the duplicate before any outreach. The automation never guesses that two records belong to one person. After reviewing the record, update only this new test lead from new to qualified. The confirmation must say, lead status updated to qualified. Use contacted only after a real attempt, qualified after need and fit are confirmed, and lost with a consistent reason. Point out export, but don't click it during the recording. That avoids creating another copy of the test data. The automation then deletes the exact lead ID it created and verifies that ID is gone. Only after that cleanup and final video QA can this tutorial move beyond preview status.